today we are going to learn about Oobleck. How many of you guys know what Oobleck is? Raise your hand. Okay. Brandon, what's Oobleck?
Oobleck is like slime.
Okay. Is it the same texture as slime?
Yes. No.
Yes, no?
No.
Okay. Alea, can you tell me about Oobleck?
Oobleck is like when you touch it, it goes from hard to being like soft.
Okay. What is a liquid? Anybody know what a liquid is? What's a liquid?
A liquid is like.
Okay. And what's a solid?
Oh.
Jaden.
Oh wait, no, I don't know. I was gonna say liquid.
Okay. Jonathan, what's a solid? No.
Liquid one.
Brandon, what's a solid?
Solid is like.
What's that? Open the cornstarch. What is cornstarch?
Cornstarch is like.
Is that a liquid?
No.
Why isn't that a liquid?
It's not water.
It's not like water. What is it then?
Solid.
It's a solid. Yeah. So what do you think? What do you think we're gonna make if we mix water, a liquid, with cornstarch, the solid? What do we get then? What is it, Jaden?
Liquid.
It's gonna be a liquid.
Yeah.
Okay. So write on your boards if you think Oobleck is a solid or a liquid. Write what you think it's gonna be. Okay, when you finish, go ahead and hold your boards up so I can see. That's how I know you're done and you got your answer on the board. Solid, solid, solid. Jaden, you changed your answer?
Yep.
Okay, so all you guys think that Oobleck is going to be a solid. Okay, go ahead and raise your boards for me. So now let me ask you another question. Since we know that Oobleck, what Oobleck is made out of, let's compare Oobleck to some real life things. Okay? So let's compare, Jaden, Jason, let's compare Oobleck to some things that we eat. What do you think are some of the things that you guys come in contact with, come in contact with on a daily basis, compares to Oobleck, is like Oobleck? What's something? There's probably something in the icebox right now that probably, what?
Ice cream, popsicles.
Okay, so tell me more about that.
Like
Ice.
Oh yeah, I was about to say
So what is ice? Is ice a solid or a liquid?
liquid.
It's
Why would you say ice is a liquid?
Because I saw in this video, like when ice melts, when ice melts on the floor, when it's in the sun, it turns into liquid.
Okay. Okay. Let me throw some things out there. How about this? Write on your boards if you think ketchup is a solid or a liquid. Ketchup. Think about the texture of ketchup. You can think about what we use ketchup for. Think about a lot of those things that associate with ketchup and tell me if you think it's a solid or a liquid. All right, Jason says ketchup is a liquid. Brandon says ketchup is a liquid. Jaden says liquid. Alea says liquid. Jonathan says liquid. Okay.
God.
Okay. What about jelly?
Jelly?
Is jelly, write it on your board. Is jelly a solid or a liquid? What do you think? Solid, solid, solid. We got two more. What do you got? Solid, okay. And Jason, you can just tell me yours if you want.
He said liquid.
Yeah, he said
Liquid?
but
Okay.
he-
You think
he
I got a bunch of solids and I got a bunch of liquids. Okay. So, so let me ask you guys this. Since we know water is a liquid, what are some of the things water does? What does water do once it, like if I pour this out, what is water going to do? Is it going to bounce off the table? Is it going to roll off the table? Is it going to splash off the table?
Oh,
Jaden?
splash.
Yes. If I poured the cornstarch out, is it going to splash on the table?
No.
Jonathan? No. Okay, so we know that they're different, right? So, let me give you guys one more example. Write on your boards if you think mayonnaise, Miracle Whip, mayonnaise or Miracle, whichever one you guys want to think of, is a solid or liquid.
Solid.
All right, Jason. All right, Brandon, Alea, solid. Okay, and one more, solid. Okay, good job. Okay, so let's start with. We'll start with a solid. Okay, so solid. The thing about something solid is that it's gonna hold its shape. Once I, mold something or make something out of something, it's gonna hold its shape. And liquid is not gonna hold its shape. Liquid is gonna take the shape of whatever it's in. Like for example, the water that's in the measuring cup. The water in there is a liquid and it has taken the shape of the measuring cup, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If I pour that water out and into the bowl, is it going to now take the shape of the bowl?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Say if I had a piece of Play-Doh and I balled it up in a ball. Once I dropped it into the bowl, is that Play-Doh going to spread out and take the shape of the bowl, or is it going to stay in the ball?
Stay in the ball.
Okay. All right, so
What about
let's get to it. All right, so in front of you guys have your bowl of cornstarch. I'm gonna gradually add water. I want you to tell me when to stop adding water, okay? We're gonna see how many of you guys, what the difference is between the consistencies of your Oobleck, okay? You ready?
Stop.
Okay, good.
Stop.
Awesome stuff.
Stop. Stop.
I knew you were going.
Okay. We'll start over here. You make sure and pass it. Make sure and pass it. Mix it as best as you can. Need some help?
Mama, one boy. I need more water. It's hard.
Mix it. Keep mixing. All right, so some of the consistencies of you guys' oobleck looks a little different. Like yours looks, that looks like, what does that look like to you? A solid or a liquid?
Solid.
That looks like a solid?
Like,
Why do you think it looks like a solid? Is it just staying still?
no, actually, liquid.
A liquid? Okay. Let's see yours, yours.
Liquid.
Okay, let's see what yours is. Is this a liquid or a solid?
I don't know. Solid.
Okay. Here. Go and mix yours up.
Because the name and doing it.
Oh,
Who needs more?
me. I get
Who needs more what?
Oh,
need more
water. I need more water.
Okay.
And water.
Dang, I can't mix my thing up.
I'm gonna stop.
Oh, yeah.
Stop that.
Well,
I
what
need
do you
more.
need more? More water or more cornstarch?
Cornstarch.
Ooh, that is crazy.
Mix it with your hands. Let's just get messy for a little bit.
Wait, I'm mixing.
What do you need more? Cornstarch or water?
I need more cornstarch.
That's hot.
What do you think you need?
Cornstarch.
Mix it with your hands. What do you need more?
My finger?
Okay, so now that we've got a chance to play around with our oobleck, Jason, now that we've got a chance to play around with our oobleck, what is it? What is oobleck? Is it a solid? Is it a liquid? Or is it both?
Both.
Brandon,
Both.
why?
Because when you look at it right now, it looks like a liquid, but when you touch it, it's hard.
Okay.
But look right now, you see how it looks like a liquid?
Oh, okay. Jason, what do you think? What did you say? You said it's both? Is it a solid and a liquid? Or is it just a solid or just a liquid? Okay.
Liquid?
Because it looks like a liquid right now?
I mean,
Okay.
Where's this cornstarch?
All right.
Ew.
it's like Play-Doh.